Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, Uzoleka is really emphasizing kubabezala wakhe to say that this thing is good, manje. Kodwa when it needs to be executed or will be on paper, right? It's gonna cause a lot of conflict kule family. You understand? And ngalana utabawo knowing ukuthi uAzande is there. Yabona is the son that is supposed to lead and all that. Uyayizwa leyo nto. And uLazarus comes to find out ukuthi ubabakhe and uZoleka were having the conversation about what legacy and the Ngqukane excellency, which uLazarus told uZoleka not to do it. And uLazarus was very disappointed when he saw that. So they had a conversation. uZoleka didn't respect my decision when I said that I don't want to this to be heard kule family because kuba inyakanyaka nje into engakhuluma. uThulani vele is like uthumeka umuntu omdala, she's a grown woman, she should go to kwakhe because manje izobukeka kanjani if I'm gonna keep her here and sleep here ngalana usenza thina bakamabandla look like sizinja and all that. It's not gonna look good for Uhlathi. So she should just like find another way or another place to sleep. Shem Uthandeka tried. She seriously tried. Kodwa uThulani was like, no, not here. Umuntu omdala lo. Umuntu omdala. uLazarus was very upset when they got home and he was like, hey girl, I don't have a problem with anything and everything, but I felt disrespected by you. When we spoke about this, I told you not to say this to anybody, but you went and told my dad. Doesn't that sound like you are undermining me or anything? uZoleka uthi I'm protecting you. Also, uyayithanda leyo nto. You don't know how to let things go when. I told you the first time that we don't need a reconciliation, me and my dad. Kodwa you forced it. uZoleka and manje itholakala kanjani because now it's good. It's going according. So what's the problem? Just let's do this and see where it goes. And you don't get to be upset with me and say that you're gonna sleep on the other room or way past that. Lazarus tried to hold Zoleka and he was like, he held himself. It's like, you don't get to be this beautiful and broke my trust. Yazin, this beautiful kushu Lazarus. And uZoleka uThumeka went back home. Uhlathi was worried because uThulani called and told him that, hey, and Uhlathi was ready to go out and search for her, and she walked in without saying anything to Uhlathi. Lazarus went to his dad to say, you know what, I understand what you all had, the conversation and all that, but I don't want that happening. Kodwa Utaga Lazarus was like, this is going to happen when the only thing you have to do is tell me what you are in or out. What's going to happen to Utabao? Because she's older than you. She needs Azand and all that to be mphathi and all that. Uthi babakho umphathi wantoni? Sanibonani. So long yasho useyishilo ukuthi once yafika kuLazarus' dad is gonna be a different thinking. Now Baba Lazarus wants this thing to be in motion. Fast, quick, in the hurry. He wants this thing to be like a bullet coming out of the thing. Flying like this one. Because he sees what uZoleka sees. And uZoleka is very intelligent. Hey, I wonder kusungaba Jena uZoleka wahlala nababa kaLazarus million years ago. Hey, manje ngoba bakhuluma a different language because I feel like the level of understanding that they have for each other is out of this world. uZoleka really loves uSigcibo, kodwa she understands what uSigcibo is not someone who's like the way he makes his decisions and all that. It's just like, and Mina, I feel like the reason why Lazarus is like this is because of the longing for a family for himself, because that is something that they never had after his mom's death, which was a million years ago. So I feel like Lazarus is looking at everything manje. He wanted to Ubavumile to be his, and he fought with everything in him to make sure that Ubavumile is his, right? Now Ubavumile is his. Now he has like his family. There's a husband, a wife, and a kid, right? ngosigqibo. And he's now looking at the grandparents, Utabawo and his dad, Azande. You understand? And now they're at peace. They're loving each other. There's peace in Jelaikiah that he never experienced for so long. So with this thing being put into motion, for him, he feels like his world will crumble because he has always like feels like he wants like that belonging, a belonging, that part of him belonging somewhere to a family, for him to just like want to be with ubaba wakhe in peace and have his wife in peace nje konke lokho. But when this thing comes out, when they talk to uTabao about this thing, he feels like it's gonna destroy everything that he feels like is what he's been longing for so many years. And manje Lana, he doesn't want to do anything to destroy that. Hey, Lazarus is upset. God Babak is trying to make him see things differently. He's trying to make him understand who's the bruh. The sooner we do this, the better. And as for Azande, Kataga Lazarus never saw him as someone who can lead. Like, that's how it feels like. He feels like he never seen him as someone who can lead the Ngokane industries. Whatever he said million years ago to his sister was just a lie. So that he can get a spot or something, or get support from her or something. I don't know. But it feels like a lie. You understand? Uma azothi yena a leader for Untoni. We understand a leader for Untoni kanjani, because you guys made plans years ago. You guys put all those plans into motion years ago. You guys took Azande to America to spend the time to learn, to see how they do things, to understand the industry, to do all those things, to come back to lead. But namhlanje the question is, leader yantoni? Ayengqukane sensize ngqukane naye. Obviously, kodwa that's not how Utaka Lazarus falls like. So Uthulane Uthulane, I think he's saying it ngelakhe side rather than everyone else's side, because he said Uthumeka should go right, but Uhlat was very, very upset with him to say, Kanjani Mkhulana, how can you do that? Because so manje, what if something happens to her? We understand. And now Uthandeka is like, hi bo Baba Kathulane, how can we do that to a grieving human being? Uthumeka is going through a lot. But when you just want us to just like Uthulane also, now you need to reconsider a relationship with Uthumeka. Aibo, just like that nje. So now they're thinking that the relationship should come to an end. These people have been friends for so many years. These people have been through a lot of things together. Namhlanje but you should reconsider. I understand ukuthi ngibhuti wakhe vele uhlathi yabona, and at the end of the day I would take, like, everyone will take their brother's side or anything, because you cannot not have your brother not being your brother anymore. I don't know if it's possible to just say, you know what, go rubber somewhere that when you are no longer my brother. You understand? And the blood and the DNA and the everything is no longer a brother and sister thinging. I understand, but I feel like at this point Uthulane should let Uhlati lead them and tell them what to do, not make my decisions, because a whole lot of things Uthumeka is going through a lot, and if everything is still being done by Amabandlas, we are added to that, and Uhlati is the one who's suffering ekhaya, because Uhlati wants those things to happen and to work, and Uthulane uma sekayenza kanjena, it's just like, okay-ke nawe ulahla bhuti wami nami I'm gonna lahla you. Instead ukuthi bamthuthuzela and just like give her like, hi man, not the difficulties. She doesn't need the difficulties manje. Uthumeka is going through a lot. She doesn't need the difficulties. She doesn't need the challenges. She needs like a smooth sailing. So I feel like Utaka Xolani should just like let Uthumeka sleep there. Even though ingabuke kahle, but Uhlathi now is upset with him, saying umekela kanjani ukuthi ahambe this late. Why ke ungangifoneli ngibe ngimthathe, or wena why ungamthathi ke umlethe here to me? You understand? Where is she now? Where is she going to go? How is she going to get to wherever she needs to go to? You understand? Yeah, it's like you need to take a side ukuthi ukamabandla or uhamba noThumeka. But now lo muntu akamkhethela yena uThumeka uhlathi uthi no, you cannot do that. Mfazi wami lo muntu, how can you do that? Uyanga yena uthi no Manda, I understand that you are the parent yene, but mina asefaka ne-uniform uMambovu, ufake ne-uniform ready to go to school. She's not taking no for an answer, okay? She's not taking yes for an answer. She's going back to school with or without the permission kama wakhe. And now umada wakhe wants to, kodwa uMajola uthi yazini, fight mfazi, fight. I feel like uThumeka naye, if she breaks down the pain, the mourning and everything, she would heal. Manje nyala, I feel like she's taking everything in together at the same time, because if you remember, for well, Ulikamva was the one who wanted Uthumeka to do things for herself, to consider herself more, to not give herself to other people a lot. Manje nyala, I feel like she's even trying to do that. Ngalana, it's a healing process. Ngalana, she's trying not to give to herself to a lot of people. Ngalana, she's trying to make sure that uhlathi safas, take the kid, there's a lot.